He's in southern of like.
Let's Google and check.
Let's Google.
So we got.
Yeah. Styling no. Dissing but got pictures with me smiling no. All the things you need, you still want problems though. All the things I know, I still been silent though. Yeah.
Hey yo, what it do YouTube? This is your boy. Let's take care of to show you back to another banger, man. Today's video, man, is dead ass, bro. So like I will be pranking on my friends, you know what I'm saying? Like we are in a YouTube house, so like I just came out, I just sneaked out, bro, just to like make an intro. So like I will be doing a yam prank. I will be like coughing blood prank on them, you know what I'm saying? So like I have some food coloring. This is our blood, guys. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Okay, he's pumped then.
One more. I don't know.
One more.
No, wait. Let's ask this guy. We're giving him the last chance.
Oh,
You, because right now you're on the list. How many digits are there? In a tree. A tree. You're not saying me. You're not saying me. You're not saying anything.
Okay.
What about?
Let me ask you first. Let me ask you. Who is the best president of South Africa?
The best president.
The best president.
The vice.
Yeah.
Evato.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I did. And Zuma.
Nah. That is here.
I'm not.
Best president.
Vice President of South Africa.
Yes.
Exactly. You don't know.
No, I know. You know.
No, I know.
Tell us the next.
Is it Tato? You didn't.
No,
You are the one that asked the question.
You're supposed to know.
Wait.
Yes. Yes, guys, producers again.
No, I forget the name, but I know. You know the video. Yeah, I know the name. So I wanted to answer. That girl says you know.
Okay, next question now.
Okay. How many countries are there in South Africa?
Oh yeah, just next question 2.
Anyone can answer me, but I think this one will be brain.
What's South Africa? There's no country South Africa.
Southern Africa,
No, me South like this. This part. This.
There is Namibia, Botswana, South Africa, Mozambique, Zimbabwe.
Come again. Maybe. Most on Sadek. Right?
Yes.
Smell.
8.
Or you can smell rice.
Blood. I don't come here as a limit.
Okay.
No, honestly, I don't know.
It's 8.
I don't know as well. I just asked.
11. Wanna go with 11?
It's Madagascar.
I counted.
It's tall.
Madagascar, Samanga.
He's in southern of like.
Let's Google and check. Let's Google.
So we got.
I call. What's the number? It's 999. What's the number? What up to now? 8.
You know me.
Hey, yo, what are you doing?
Yes.
I didn't even see it coming. I was playing doctor here. Where is this coming? I didn't even see it coming, man. I was playing doctor here.
No guys, don't say like that. But
call them.
this one.
What is
I
this?
got them.
What is this?
I got them.
What the fuck, bro? Kind of this nigga got me. Like I was, dog. This guy was trying to call. Dog, I almost, dog.
He was like, look at this. He was looking for a
How
number.
do you feel, bro?
He looked at me and was like, dog, no.
Nah, we have to get this nigga back, bro.
How do you feel?
Hey, I was scared wearing your but imagine.
Imagine me being doctor.
I told them.
No,
So,
Red, yo, Hatima. Yo, get out of the get out of the gallery. How
how did you get discuss this? I don't get it. No.
sick. This was sick. This was sick.
Imagine. So there's one guy who died. He was with his friends, and they were shooting a video. All of a sudden, and the guy drank something, and then he's now dead. Now
he
gone.
died.
So you have made it to.
That's the best prank ever.
So like we have made it to the end of this video.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Please subscribe to my sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Shut the mastermind.
The mastermind.
The mastermind. Mastermind.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wouldn't be anything without producers.
So shout out to your Instagram handle.
Yo, this is Kuda the DJ at Kuda Musime. Instagram, that's what's up.
Yes.
No Facebook, I don't do that shit. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Transamila YouTube channel. Easy.
Yes.
I'm not a social girl. Only on YouTube, it's a girl, it's a cow. That's it.
But
Hey, man.
so shout out to your Instagram handles.
That boy loud, IG.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just Ivan's Darren on IG, Ivan's Darren Facebook everywhere.
Yes, sir.
I don't know who the fuck I am, but follow me, dog.
Yeah, down go.
The goat! The goat! Yeah.